Hey guys, and welcome back to a brand new video. Today I've got another video on the Golf Mark 7.5R. Today is going to be an interesting video. There's two ways of doing the install that I'm going to be doing today. I'm going to try the first way, and if it doesn't work I'm going to try the second way, and if that doesn't work then I don't know what to do. Okay guys, so the install that I'm doing today is a front splitter install. So basically it sits underneath the front bumper. The one that I've bought, because it's not a Maxim one, which is the one I wanted, but I'm a bit of a jippo and I didn't really want to pay £140 or whatever it was. It comes in three pieces, so you get one that goes underneath here, down the middle, and then obviously the same on the other side, and they all piece together. And there's two ways of installing it. There's the first way of using 3M tape, which I have in here. This stuff, that's the stuff. So it's just oh Jesus Christ. Yeah, it's just double-sided sticky tape basically, but it's really good. This is what I use to install the spoiler at the back. If this is going to really focus. That's what I used, so just some 3M sticky tape. But basically what I'm going to try and do is put the front splitter on using that, see how well it fits on. If it's not great, there's drilled holes in the front splitter that I need to pop into the car, drill through the bottom of the car basically. Which should be interesting, but yeah. Okay, so this is the splitter in question. So as you can see, it's got like three connecting bits, so that just pops into there like so, and then obviously the same on the other side. But all it's going to do is add a bit of depth to the car, just to make it look a bit more aggressive. So I think the wings go on the sides here, so if I get that front piece, it'll pop on like so. So going like that basically, and then it comes out the front there, so it looks sick. So I'm going to try and use 3M tape along here. I've got little drill holes there, there's one there, there's one there, but yeah, underneath the car, obviously that's where I don't want to try and not to drill. Okay, so just by touching it, I've worked out that I need to put the 3M tape here and there. I did just realise it's probably so much easier with the car jacked up. So I've just jacked it up on the one side. I've whacked some 3M tape down there and one there. So hopefully, let's see how that fits. And obviously then we can start drilling if needs be. Okay guys, so as I thought, the 3M tape isn't enough. It's just not like sticking to it as well as it normally works with like on paintwork, because the under tray is sort of like a rubbery almost material. It's not sticking to the 3M tape, so unfortunately 3M tape is not going to cut it, so we are going to have to drill, which I'm not looking forward to, but if we want to get this on, we're going to have to drill. No going back now. Mate, I've got two screws in out of the three for this first piece, and look how sick that looks. Mate, that actually looks sick. I am well happy with that so far. Let's carry on. Right then, so just jacked up the car on the other side, so I'm going to carry on popping these screws in and getting this front diffuser on. So in classic Rob Lane fashion, I've had a bit of a shocker. I've put the middle piece on, and then obviously I've got to put the side piece on top of the middle piece to connect it in through, I don't know if you can see there, these holes here. So this piece sits on top of there, so I've had to unscrew it and basically make sure that this bit is flappy so that I can pop this on top of there. Like a glove, mate. Right, hopefully that'll stay there. That's it. Right, onto the side piece. So guys, there's the finished product. I'm really happy with how that's turned out, and it was actually really easy to fit. The only thing that I would like to mention is this bit here. It's dead annoying, it just will not sit flush. So if I pulled it down, it does sit flush, but then let go and it's back up again. But from a distance you can't really see it, but it is really irritating me. But I suppose that's what you get for eBay specials at £40 instead of 120, so can't really expect much. So guys, that's going to conclude today's video. So I do hope you enjoyed it. Another modification done on the Golf R. I am going to be getting side skirts and a rear diffuser that I'm going to try and fit myself as well. Hopefully the fitment is a little bit easier and a little bit better than what I've done on the front splitter. But yeah, hopefully you enjoyed today's video guys. If you did, please give it a thumbs up. Subscribe to the channel if you want to see more content like this. And yeah, I'll catch you on the next one. Peace.